The Director General of World Trade Organization, Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, has promised that the trade body will work to reduce export restrictions among member states, especially with regards to medical supplies. Dr. Okonjo-Iweala, who had served as Nigeria's Minister of Finance and Supervising Minister of the Economy, gave the assurance when she met with members of the Presidential Task Force on Coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic in the office of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation in Abuja.
The main reason we're here is really to see how the WTO can support Nigeria in improving its economy. And part of doing that is the health. We're in a pandemic, and of course you cannot advance the economy until you take care of the health aspects. And so what the Secretary to the Government and the office is doing, along with the Presidential Task Force, is laudable. And we wanted to just discuss with them, one, what is happening, the arrival of the COVID vaccines, how that is being distributed, the challenges, opportunities on the way of that, what the WTO can do. Interestingly, trade is very instrumental in access to medical supplies and equipment, because how do they get from one place to the other? It is through trade.
And in his remarks, the SGF and chairman of PTF, Mr. Boss Mustafa, noted that the pandemic came with a lot of effects and impacts on the nation's economy, but provided an opportunity for the country to really go back and look at her systems.
COVID-19 has come with a lot of I always say it came with a lot of adverse effects and impacts, but it also provided an opportunity for us to really go back and look at our system. The good thing about COVID-19 is that it has exposed the weaknesses of all systems. Even the most established democracies and economies have been brought to their knees by the adverse effects of COVID-19. And I believe that you would be of tremendous help to us in making sure that Nigeria has an equitable share in trade negotiations.
The news agency of Nigeria reports that before the meeting with the PTF, Okonjo-Iweala had held separate discussions with the SGF, Minister of Health, Dr. Osage Ehanire, and the Minister of Information and Culture, Alhaji Lai Muhammad. She also held discussions with the Minister of Environment, Mr. Muhammad Mahmoud, Minister of State for Health, Senator Olorunimbe Mamora, and the National Incident Manager, NIM, PTF, Dr. Mukhtar Muhammad, among others.